In today's video, I am going to teach you how to organize Zoho CRM tasks. To get started, open Zoho CRM and look at the left-hand navigation menu. This is where you can access the different areas of your account. Find and click on Activities. Activities is the section that brings together the work you need to complete, including tasks, calls, and meetings. For this tutorial, we will focus specifically on tasks, since organizing them well makes it much easier to stay on top of follow-ups and deadlines. Once you are in Activities, click on Tasks. This takes you into your task list, where you can review what is assigned, what is due, and what needs attention. Next, choose the option to view all tasks. Viewing all tasks is helpful because it gives you the full picture in one place, instead of only seeing a limited subset. This makes it easier to sort through your workload and decide what to focus on first. Now it is time to organize using views. In the task list, select a preset view. Preset views are ready-made filters that quickly show a specific group of tasks. Common examples include My Overdue tasks, which helps you identify items that have passed their due date, Tasks Due Today, which keeps your day focused on what must be completed now, and High Priority tasks, which highlights the work that has been marked as most important. Using these views consistently can help you avoid missing key deadlines and can improve your daily planning. If the preset options do not match the way you prefer to work, you can create your own view. Look for the option labeled New Custom View. Click it, then set up the view based on the criteria that matter to you, such as ownership, due date, priority, or status. Keep the name simple and clear, so it is easy to recognize later. When you are satisfied with the settings, save the custom view. From this point on, you can switch between your preset and custom views anytime to quickly sort tasks based on what you need to see in the moment. That covers everything you need to know.